Congratulations, you just got paid for listening for 30 minutes. You have got paid 200 points. Keep listening daily to earn faster. These points are credited to my account for listening the music for 30 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another latest way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestion or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps. Go to Play Store and search for Earn Cash and Money Reward or current music screen. Now at the time of recording this video, the application has changed its name to Mod Current App. You can find it by these two names. As you can see, we have to install the application, and when installation is ended, open the application. It will detect the developer option. If your mobile phone developer option has turned on, it will detect it. Then you should have to go to setting and disable the developer option mode. Then it will work. If you don't disable the developer option mode, it will not work. As you can see, I have disabled the developer option and go to the current app. As you can see, there is a sign up with Google button. Touch that button, your Google account emails will be displayed, and choose an account to continue to the current account. As you can see, I have chosen one of my Google account. Then at the bottom of the application, there is a time countdown, sign up and get bonus. To get bonus, if the time countdown to 0, you will not get the bonus. So you should have to click when registering. Earn while listening. Discover music you will love and earn for every song you play. The more you listen, the more you earn. And also different ways to earn: complete tasks, watch video, play game and invite friends, cash out through PayPal, Bitcoin. Then it will go to select your favorite music genres to show you station you will love, and you will get 10 points. There are many choices to choose: reggaeton, Latin, rap, hip-hop, reggae. Then select what you want, what your favorites are. When you finish, touch the get started button, creating station just for you. Then you will get 10 points. Congratulations, you just got paid for setting your preference. Touch the start earning button. Boom, you have opened the account. Listen to station and earn 20 points. You should have to play one of the station and they will get 20 points. As you can see, I have got 20 points, and congratulations, you just got paid 20 points. Earn more point and you will get points more and more. As you can see, my points are rising. There is a daily check-in. Touch the start check-in button. Then there is an instruction to how to check in. Start checking on the screen. Finish one song every day. Complete a streak for the bonus. Unlock the next streak. Then touch the go to music button. It will credit you for every step you make. Like if you set your name, it will credit you some points. If you confirm your email, it also credits you with some points. And also your birth year, if you fill out your birth year, it will credit you with some points. As you can see, I am setting my birth year and confirm my birth year and get 5 points. And also setting your gender will award you a point. As you can see, I have set my gender and submit it. Then 5 points will credit to my account. And also share your location to get 10 points. And give the application a feedback on Google Play Store, and I will get paid 20 points. there is a button listen to your first song, and when you touch that, select your favorite station, listen to selected station for the first time, earn 20 points. You can discover stations and play your favorite music. When you done that, you will credit 20 points. As you can see, my levels are rising to 111. So there are tasks and offers. Share your opinion. As you can see, it rises from 111 to 150 because the music is still playing in the background. So there are tasks and offer. It can get you up to 20,000 points, and share your opinion will get you up to 10,000 points, and daily usage bonus up to 150, quick earn video up to 15 points. If you want to redeem the points you have, you can go to redeem section, and you can redeem it with PayPal, with Bitcoin, gift cards, so on. As you can see, I am listening in the background of the video. Then I have got 200 points. Congratulations, you just got paid for listening for 30 minutes, and you have got paid 200 points. Keep listening daily to earn faster. These points are credited to my account for listening the music for 30 minutes. As you can see, my points are rising to 351.42 points. Then you can come daily and earn this amount to redeem more points. So this method is perfect way to get passive income. So that's it everyone, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.